guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you these rainbow triangle box braids. I'm not going to talk through the whole video because I do already have a very detailed box braid video on my channel. So if you have any questions on how I start the braid or how I feather the hair, I'll be sure to link my box braid for beginners video below so you can get caught up. I braided up her hair the night before and this is what it looked like, and I just worked with one section at a time. The only thing different is the hair that I use. I use Expressions braiding hair and I just cut it in half, and I also use rainbow braiding hair that I got from AliExpress. I was not able to get perfect triangles in her hair. It's not as easy as they make it look, but you may see some right angles, you may see some obtuse angles, and probably even some isosceles triangles. But I think all the different triangles give her hairstyle character. I used just a little bit of the rainbow braiding hair for random braids, and she has a total of 22 braids in her head, and this hairstyle took about 3.5 hours. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Any questions, leave them below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
dancing.